And we don't enter office palava proper. We don't get time. If not, you get what I want to tell you. But I go reserve her when we come back.
Reserve her, beg.
All right, on top of office palava today, R&B.
Yeah.
I know say this matter, the matter will be say you go get person where it don't happen to, or you go don't hear am by mistake, or by anyhow, direct or indirectly. No matter what concern remote work. Remote work.
Okay.
Yes. So the question what would they ask now say, wetin make some people they think say people where they work from home or they do remote work no really get better work?
Don't be loud. That mentality actually dey sharp.
It dey. You know why this conversation come up? Because apart from a lot of things where they do us for inside with this Nigeria, you know, say if you want to find house now, especially for this Lagos, and go they ask you
which kind work
you dey work or where you dey work. But the moment you say you dey work from home, you know, say na only one thing na go dey there.
Okay, maybe we never dey enlightened enough to that already. But remote work just started before COVID-19, but COVID-19
for Nigeria here.
Yes, sorry. COVID-19 actually gave a chance to grow. Okay. Exponentially. If you look that time frame, because everybody did locked for us for over 8 months.
And so you just got survived.
You just got survived. So most people, when normally, when you go say, this person I like, and they go move and go. They say, no, work from wherever you did, because we not move, you come UK or US, you get. So that kind of like gave more leverage to remote work. Today, were a little bit accepted, but still yet for this country Nigeria, we never embrace 100%. I think that's why we get this mentality. So anybody where they has the own gen, you know they work. Now be our own understanding. Our own idea of work now say this person must wake up in the morning,
come off from house,
wear cloth, come off for house, come back late.
Yes, so
that be our idea of
at
work.
least if and that late go start from like 5.
Yes, now no, if you call early, they'll suspect you.
Exactly.
They'll say you not get work, you go look for work.
Which kind of work where they work where you go just go 2 hours, 3 hours. I don't know whether we just they used to suffer head. If you be saying I make.
Don't be say I think over time as a country Nigeria, we don't embrace suffer.
Chai.
So when we see something when they easy, we not they like bad one.
We not they like
you get me. So I just think that now one factor I believe say they make most people. I get friends when we say they be tech guy. You know, so now tech guys they always work most time.
Even people
virtual assistants.
Yeah, virtual assistants.
Those ones they work from home.
From home too. Even customer care self.
Yes, they work from home. As far as they get fast and sharp internet. Take us and the rest.
Yeah.
Even all this telecommunication industry, if you call some of them, you realize that some of their customers now has that they ask all these customer people now has it for the answer.
Yeah.
You get. But to an average Nigerian now, no, he's not working.
So the question what would they ask? Wetin make people they think say people where they work from home or they do remote work, they no really get work.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.